Well, I've got it all together. I needed to get it together to get it off the bench because I got other things to do, but there's a problem. One of the things I fixed, if you look over here, I don't know if you can see it, the pilot light, that was pushed all the way up inside. But I've got a 33 on here, and we'll show you how this plays. So that plays pretty clear. Not a problem there. We'll share the joy. Falling in love. Tone controls work real well. Now I'm going to play a 45. There's a 45. So you can hear it plays very nice and clear, 45s and 33s. Now we're going to move over to 78s. Now 78. I have the stylus rotated to the 78 stylus. I wonder if it's the wrong stylus. Maybe it's the wrong stylus. I don't know. But I am very confused to why the 78s don't play right on this. It's a brand new stylus. Maybe it's not the right one for that. I don't know what would be the difference. Anyways, that's what happens. I'm confused.